Welcome to 5 for 5 Ayurveda series. Acharya opines that prana is confined to certain parts or substances of body and they state it as dhamas or ayatanas. So in this video I am stating about those vital spots of life.
Vital spots of life, pranayatana. So, pranayatanas are 10 in numbers according to Charaka Samhita and Vakbada Ashtanga Sangraha and Ashtankritya. So, we will see which are the 10 names. So, Charaka Sutrasthana is mentioning Shankau, two Shankas, two on both sides. There is Shanka, that is temple region on the both side of the ear on the front side, top of the ear. That is Shanka. Temporal area we can call, or there is Tiron. It is called as Tiron. Tiron is the fusion of four bones are the frontal, parietal, temporal and sphenoid bone. Union of these four bones we call it as Tiron. So that area is considered as the temporal area. Shanka, temple region. Then Hritaya, that is heart, Basti is urinary bladder, Shiras is head region, Kanta, throat region, Rekta is blood, Shukra is semen, Ojas is the essence of dhatus, and Gutam is the anal canal. So these 10 are considered as the vital spots. Then Charaka Sharirasthana also 10 numbers. Instead of the Shanka, they are considering Mamsa, muscle tissue. Then Nabi, instead of another Shanka, that is Nabi umbilicus. Then Hritaya, Basti, Murda is a synonym of Shira, same head region. Kanta, Shonita is a synonym of Rekta, that is blood. Shukra, Ojas and Buddha. Then Vakbada, Ashtanga Sangra also 10 in number, but instead of Mamsa or Shanka, he has used the term Jihwa Bandhana. Spot is Jihwa Bandhana. Jihwa is a tongue, that is attachment of tongue. Then same Nabi, umbilicus, Hritaya, heart, Vasti. Vasti and Basi is same only. Instead of grammatically, Sanskrit grammar, we can use B or V. So Vasti is urinary bladder, Murda, Kanda, Rekta is a synonym of Shonita, Shukra, Ojas and Gutam. Then in Ashtanga, Hritaya, also we can see instead of Jihva, synonym term is used, that is Rasana, Bandhana, Napi, Hritaya, Basti, Shiras, Kanta, Asra, that is also synonym of blood, Shukra, Ojas and Gutam. So these are the 10 vital points where life is situated. So next we will see the references in detail. Deshajivitadhamani, Shiro Razana Bandhanam. So Jivitadhama, site of life. Shiro, Razanabantanam, Kando, Asram, Hrudayam, Nabi, Vasti, Shukra, Ojas, Gudam. So 10 in number, that is the Ashtanga Hrudaya Sharira Sthana. So don't forget the reference, third chapter, Anka Vipaka, chapter name 13th. Then Ashtanga Sangraha in the Sharirasthana, 5th chapter, you can see, 26th sloka. Desha Pranayatana. So here see the difference. In Ashtanga Hritaya, he has used the term Jivita Dhamani, whereas in Ashtanga Sangraha, it is Pranayatanani. Murdha, Jihva Bantanam, Kanda, Hritayam, Napi, Vasti, Guta, Shukla, Ojo, Rektam Cham. So these 10 are the names of this Pranayatana. Tesha Madhyani. So from this, among these 10, Adhya Sapta, first seven as Punar Mahamarma Sapnyani. It's named as Mahamarmas, Mahamarma. So Sangraha Vagbada mentions the 7 points, that is Murda, Jihva, Bandhanam, Kando, Hrudayam, Nabi, Vasti, Guda as the Mahamarmas. And we know that Murdha, Hrudayam and Basti. These are also very important among them. So Charaka called these three as the three marmas, marmatrayas. So this Mahamarma Sapnya is given by Ashtanga Sangraha. Then Charaka Samhita, the references in the Sutra, two references are the Sutrasthana and Sharirasthana. So 29 chapter, first sloga, third sloga, Deshe Vaitana Nyahu Prana. So here also Pranayatana, Pranayatana Nyahu Yeshu Pradishtitaha. Where it is situated, that is Shankau, 2, Marmatrayam, 3, So 5 total: Kanta, Rektam, Shukra, Ojasi, Gutam. So these are the 10 vital spots. Shango, Marmatrem, Kando, Rektam, Shukra, Ojasi, Gutam. Then one more reference in Charaka, that is Sharirasthana 7th chapter. You can see the Desha Pranayadhanani only. So he is detailing that. Murdha, Khanda, Murdha, Khanda, Hridayam, Nabi, Gudam, Vasti, Oja, Shukram, Shonita, Mamsamiti. Teshu Shad. Among these first six are marmas, called as marmas. So first six are marmas. Murdha, Khanda, Hridayam, Nabhi, Gudam, Vasti. These are all marmas. Murdha, Khanda, Hridayam, Nabhi, Vasti, Gudam, Vasti. So Murdha, Kanda region, you will feel that carotid pulse. You can see that pulse. These are all pulse points also. Some Hridaya, apex beat, Nabhi, umbilicus, Gudam, anus, and Basti. These are all considered as marmas. In the marma context, you can see these all considered as the marmas. Then we have not gone through the Sushruta Acharya's opinion about this vital spots. So we will see what Sushruta says. Sushruta very simplified it. He simplified that this marma prana is situated in the marma region, marmas. Marma only this pranas are there. When this marma getting injured, then there is loss of prana. Loss of prana. So very simple factor he mentioned this about this prana ayatana. So Charaka 10, Vagbada 10, but Sushruta only one vital point, that is marma. Soma Surya Tejamsi, Soma Maruda Tejamsi, Rajas Satatavamsi Cha, Marmazu Prayasha, Pumsa, Bhuthatma Chavatishtate. So here Bhuthatma, life. So in the Soma, these are the factors considered as prana. Soma, Maruda, Tejamsi, Rajas, Sattu, Tamamsi Cha, Marmasu. Marma also Marmasu, Prayasha, Pumsa, Bhudatma, Chavadesha. So Bhudatma is these all factors. These six factors are also pranas. So marma swabhihadas tasman na jivanti sharira. Marma that happens, then no life is there. That is in Sushruta Sharira 6th chapter. So normally they will be doubt what is prana, what are the factors contributing to the prana. So next we will see what are the factors contributing to the prana. So that is 12 in number. 12 in number. Pranas are 12. Pranas are 12. So we'll see Agni, Soma, Vayu, Satta, Raja, Tama, Pancha, Indriyas. So 6 plus 5, that is 11, and Bhutatma, that is 12. So here is 11 factors over, then 12. So 12. Agni, Somo, Vayu, Satta, Rajas, Tama, Pancha, Indriyani, Bhutatma, Prana. So it is mentioned by Sushruta in the 8th chapter of Sushruta Sharirasthana. And the explanation about this, why he considered these factors as a prana, that is, we can see in the Dalhana commentary. Because Agni, first factor, that is Agni, it has got a role in the food digestion. So it gives life to the living beings. Second factor, Soma. Soma is having the Saumya Bhava, and which is the site of um, which is Ojo of Dhatu, that is Kapha is also considered as Ojo of Dhatu, and this causes a Dhatu Poshana. Ede Chagni Somateyo, Pranayanti, Jivayanti, iti Pranaha. Agni and Soma are giving Pranaya and Jivana. That is why it is considered as Prana. Tatra Agni Tadahara Pagadi Karmana Pranayati. Then Somasta Saumya Dor Ojaha Prabhrade Poshanena. So that is the explanation given by Jalhana why he considered this factor as prana. Then third factor, that is Vayu. So Vayu, we know that Charaka mentions that in the chapter Sutrasthana 17, that Vayu is Ayusho Anuvritti Pratyaya Bodhaha. So Ayusha Anuvritti. So Vayu maintains the Ayu of the person. Vayuscha doshadadu malatina sancharano Chwasani, Shwasabhyam cha. So Vayu is responsible for the proper movement of dosha dhatu malas, as well as it is a prime factor for causing of inspiration expression, which is a prime sign for life. So these are the expression given in Delhana. You can see the reference in Delhana commentary of chapters, Susruta, Sharira, Sthana, 8th chapter. Then next factor is Sattva, Raja and Tamas. Sattva, Rajas, Tamas. We know that Sattva, Rajas, Tamas are the mental qualities of mind. सत्वरजस्तमश्च मनोरूपता परिणतां बोधात्मनः मोक्षेण हेतुरपि तदपि प्रापयति. So sattva-rajas-tamas are the mind qualities of mind, and this become the qualities of Bhotatma, and which later cause for the salvation, moksha. Then the five factors, that is pancha indriyani, five indriyas. We know that indriyas for the perception, so it does the karmas of perception and makes the person alive. Panchendriyani chakshurathini rupadhigrahana karmane pranayanti. And last factor, that is Bhodatma. So Bhodatma is synonymous Chetana. Is nothing. It is Karma Purusha which poses Chetana. So it becomes Prana. So evam Bhodatma Karma Purusho apyashesha seva karma Rashis Chetana Dhaduridi Pranayati. So these references in the Delhana comment, Delhana book. So 12 factors, pranas are 12 in number. And prana, we are talking about the prana ayatanas. Prana ayatana, ayatana the site. So ayatana iva ayatani. Ayatani iva ayatanani. Tad ubagate. So when injured, prana ubagata. Tan nashe, prana nashe. So when this site is getting injured, that prana is getting injured, and that is causing the loss of prana. So that is about this. Today's topic is about the vital spots of life, that we call it as ayatana of prana or jivita. So it is according to Acharyas, it is 10 in number, and the Susrutacharya confined it to marma. Marmas are the vital spots. So this is very important topic for exams. So it's a definite question for exam. So all the slogans which I have mentioned here is very important here to by heart all the slogans. Sushruta Sharira 8 chapters sloga, Sushruta Sharira 6 chapters sloga, Charaka Samhita Sharira 7 chapters sloga, Charaka Samhita Sutra 29 chapters sloga, Ashtanga Sangra Sharira 5th chapters sloga, Ashtanga Hridaya Sharira 3rd chapters sloga. These are very important slogas to by heart. It's better if you by heart this. And the other difference is that we'll see Ashtanga Sangraha, Ashtanga Hridaya Sharaka. So 10 in number, all the vital spots. So prana, ayatana term is used by Charaka and Ashtanga Sangraha Vagbhada. Whereas in Ashtanga Hridaya there is a difference. We use the term Jivita Dhama. So this is a point which you have to note in this topic. So thank you for now. You all go through my previous audios also, videos also, and keep in touch. Bye.
Again, OBS OBS is currently active.